Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to delete an old folder such as a previous Windows installation, old program files folder, or any leftover system folder, you may see the error. Folder access denied. You need permission to perform this action. Even if you're using an administrator account, Windows may still block access because the folder is owned by another system account. Don't worry. We'll fix it using command prompt. In this video, I'll show you how to take ownership of the folder and delete it permanently. Click Start. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if the User Account Control prompt appears. Now type Command takeown/F, then go back to the folder. Right-click the folder and select Copy as Path or Copy Path. Return to Command Prompt, right-click inside Command Prompt to paste the folder path, type /r/dy, then press Enter. Windows will now take ownership of all files and subfolders inside that directory. Wait until the process complete. Next, we need to give your user account full control over the folder. Type icacls, again go to Folder, copy folder path. Then right-click to paste the folder path. /grant, type your username. To find your username, simply click Start and look at the account name displayed there. :F/T, then press Enter. Windows will now grant full permissions to all files and folders inside the selected directory. Once both commands have completed successfully, close Command Prompt. Go back to the folder and try deleting it again. This time, Windows should allow the folder to be removed without any permission errors. That's it. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.